Growing your affiliate marketing business.
Affiliate marketing is a very popular business on the internet that involves a partnership between a merchant and one or more affiliates. The affiliate will advertise or promote the merchant's products and services free until a customer makes a purchase. Once a purchase has been made, a portion of the profit received by the merchant from the customer will be given to the affiliate. For this very reason, the relationship between the affiliate and the merchant is also known as revenue sharing partnership. Affiliate marketing has also been recognized as the best way for merchants to sell more products on the internet as well as webmasters or affiliates to gain income with their own website. This is where the affiliate can make really good money. Since it's already a widespread business, you'll need to work hard to make your site stand out from the crowd. No matter if you are an affiliate network, or merchant, you'll need to discover some secrets that will lead you to success. If you're an affiliate, you'll need to find out ways to increase your pay or commission. To turn your business into a success, you'll need to manage it the right way. Proper management will make your business grow, making all the time and effort well worth it. To grow your affiliate marketing business, you'll need to advertise. The most common way is banners and links, as they also help you to get paid with your merchant. You can put them on your website, although you should place them carefully as too many on a single web page can be very annoying and very confusing to potential customers. Another way to make your business grow is by going to chat rooms and message boards that relate to the product you are reselling. This can be a smart way to boost your income. You'll meet many different people. When you first start talking, don't try to see first, as you'll have a better chance becoming friends first. You can also make yourself a free ebook with advertisement tips and links to your affiliate website. This can be a great resource for potential customers, as it helps to demonstrate your knowledge, as well as shows customers you are there to help. If you use the proper methods for advertising and letting customers know about your affiliate programs, you'll be well on your way to making a lot of extra money. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money on the internet. All it takes is dedication and commitment.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.